Hi, I'm Juan from the partner team at ButterflyMX. I'm super excited to provide an overview of the ButterflyMX Video Intercom System designed to redefine property access. Building on nearly a decade of success in access control, these cutting-edge video intercoms will transform the property access experience for property staff, residents, and visitors, setting a new design standard in the industry. And with their elegant form factor, enhanced hardware, and simplified installation, these next-gen intercoms bring not only valuable features, but also a stunning curb appeal to any property. These devices have been designed to provide a sleek and contoured design with a housing constructed from a cast aluminum that can withstand even the most extreme conditions, including attempts at vandalism, rain, snow, and temperatures ranging from -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. ButterflyMX offers both an 8-inch and 12-inch surface and recessed mount video intercom, which seamlessly blends into any building's architectural facade, whether that be metal, stone, glass, or a mounting pedestal, and have been made backwards compatible, ensuring that existing ButterflyMX customers can easily upgrade their current video intercom system while keeping the existing wiring. Internally, they're engineered with the latest wireless connectivity technology, including 5G Wi-Fi and weekend inputs that offer low-frequency RFID. This allows users to choose the property access method that best fits their needs, whether that's through the top-rated ButterflyMX mobile app, secure PIN code, or convenient key fob or key card. These next-generation video intercoms showcase a vibrant, high-resolution LED display that is capable of producing an astounding 1500 nits of brightness that can be seen on the sunniest days or the darkest nights. The intercoms also offer noise cancellation and are equipped with a 2-megapixel high-definition camera that captures a 156-degree wide-angle field of view. This is to ensure that the property staff and residents always capture crystal clear video and audio of anyone requesting access. These intercoms were designed to streamline the installation process significantly. Our recessed mounts feature a door that can be opened to free hands during maintenance and installation. You no longer have to physically hold the unit to access the cabling, making the installation process more convenient. Similarly, the surface mount option has been enhanced with an extension arm. This arm articulates outward during installation, allowing a single installer to position the device. Thanks for watching this video to learn more about the ButterflyMX Next Generation Intercom. In the next section, you'll find the brief quiz that covers the details I just discussed. Good luck, and let's dive into the quiz.